Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing code using PowerPoint. As you can see in my Instagram, I am using this type of code with PowerPoint. I've created them. This one, as you see it now, with PowerPoint. And I will show you how to do this. So don't worry about the resolution. I will show you how to change also the resolution. So let's start. Now, when you create your PowerPoint or your slide, the first thing you need to tell me the resolution isn't good. Okay, you need it as square, for example, for your slide. Can you change this? Yeah, you can change it, yeah. How to do this? Go to the design. And here, go to the slide size. And go to the custom slide size and choose the custom from here. And after this, choose what you want here, for example, 8, the same thing. Okay, inch, no, centimeter, inch, no problem. Good. Now I will choose maximize. So here is my square for the resolution. The next step, I will add an image as a background. So for my background, picture or texture. And here I will choose the image that I have download, for example, tech, where is them? My graphic, stock photo, here, and I will choose, for example, this one. Good. Now I can add the text directly. So before to add the text, you can do it to create a code, but I will show you a trick that I have do it before. So I will add the rectangle here, insert, shape, and now I will add the rectangle here, and I will change the color to the dark. I will change also the transparency like this. I think it's good. Maybe I can reduce, or I 50%. I can change it, no problem. Good. The next step, now I can add the text. So let's do it. Insert text and oops, sorry. Insert text with here, no problem. And now, where is my Instagram to take any code? This one is very long, so let's take another one. For example, this one. Let's do it. You were born original. Yeah, don't die a copy. So let's do it very quick. You were born an original. Oh, don't die a copy, like this, or I have made something, yeah, or maybe something like this. Good. Now I can add also, maybe I can add the text, the author. What is the author? Where is the author? John Mason. John Mason. Like this. Now I will increase this text. Also, I will change the font. So let's do it as no, April. I can let it April or anything else. How many is good? Yeah. And for this text, I will increase the size like this. Do you see? So simple. And I have my code. You can reduce now if you want more design, or me, I write it like this. You can add your website here, as I do before here, as you can see, or you can add it, for example, to make as a code design, sorry, insert, shape, and you add the line from here, straight like this. You make shape outline as white, and you can use directly from here the weight to not 6 to 3 like this. You will change to let's type not this one, like this. No, I think rounded is very good. I do it or no? Yeah. Yes. And you make another one from here. If you want to be more designed for your cut. Here is my cut. I have to do it very very quick as you can see. So you can create an amazing one. Of course, if you want to color so just this text as I have make in my code, select this text, home, and choose the cut. I like the yellow when it's white. Now here is my simple cut. The final step. Remember, you can export your slide just as an image file, save as, and here go to the, you have the, what is them? Where is GPG, where you are GPG, where is GPG, where is it? I mean here, GPG, and save. So simple like this. You see, it's very very simple. So show me your cut. I like the cut. I have a profile on Instagram just for the cut. It's my account about the cut, motivational cut, business cut, yourself cut, how to stay strong. Just for the cut. I like the cut. So show me your cut in the comment, please. See you next video, inshallah, to start a new chapter. In the next video, inshallah, we start a new chapter about in PowerPoint 2019. Stay motivated, stay strong, stay positive. Tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.